Okay, welcome to this online web design class. In this class, I'll be showing you how to build a stunning website without coding. This is Parag ICT Academy, and we are glad you could join this course. So, in this introductory class, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do, to build websites for your business, for clients, and start earning some side cash. Now, let's dive into the course. So, the table of contents, I'm going to show you how to get a cheap domain name and hosting, how to install WordPress is what we're going to be using for this course. The WordPress CMS, or the WordPress content management system on your cPanel, how to install WordPress themes, how to customize the themes, how to install. We're going to use the Elementor page builder. I will show you other page builders we use, how to do a responsive page design, design a menu structure, how to design a static page, your static page setup, index your site, and then how to test your sites and use plugins and optimize images for your website. So I hope that you come along with us and enjoy every bit of this training. So we're glad you're here. This essential web design course is structured to be simple, easy to follow. For some of you may not be too techy, but we hope that you should get your first website up and running right after going through this course. So in summary, what are the things I need to get my website running? Like I've said, you're going to need to get a domain name and a host, and I'm going to explain all of that very briefly. You need to locate your cPanel, install your WordPress, get a theme, customize your theme, get a page builder. We have several page builders like Divi, Beaver Builder, Astra, Ocean, WP, and so many others are available out there. To create some pages, create a menu from the pages you have put up. Set a static page, you finalize your headers and footers, including adding credits, and then you index your site so that search engines like Google, like Bing, like Yandex can crawl it. Then analyze your site and then perform SEO for your website. Even though that is not included in this course, we have an SEO course that I think you should subscribe for. So we will look into these and many more